Do you think you know everything about animals? Let's put that to the test with Animal Coon right now. The world is changing faster than ever. Climate change is not only affecting humans, but also having a massive impact on wildlife. In this intense race for survival, some species have developed astonishing adaptations to cope with the shifting environment. They change their hunting strategies, migrate to new regions, and even modify their own bodies to endure harsher conditions. Today, Animal Coon takes you on a journey to uncover the extraordinary survival strategies of animals in the face of climate change. These stories not only showcase the incredible resilience of nature, but also offer valuable lessons on adaptability. Can these species continue to survive as the challenges grow even greater? Let's find out now. The polar bear, an iconic symbol of the Arctic, is facing an unprecedented challenge. As ice melts faster than ever, hunting seals, their primary food source, has become increasingly difficult. Without vast ice sheets to stalk their prey, polar bears are forced to adopt new survival strategies. This shift not only affects their hunting habits, but also impacts their health and overall population size. But nature always pushes for adaptation. Unable to hunt seals as before, many polar bears have ventured further inland, searching for alternative food sources. They have begun fishing in shallow waters, preying on coastal birds, and even scavenging carcasses. Some have even wandered into garbage dumps near human settlements in search of food, a surprising display of adaptability. However, this new diet lacks the high-energy nutrition that seals provide, putting them at greater risk of malnutrition. While these new hunting methods help them survive, are they a long-term solution? With dwindling food sources and increasingly harsh conditions, the future of polar bears remains uncertain. But one thing is clear, they are fighting to survive in a rapidly changing world. If climate change continues at its current pace, these adaptations may not be enough to secure their survival. Sea turtles have roamed the Earth for millions of years, but now they face a challenge their ancestors never encountered. Rising temperatures are directly impacting future generations. Did you know that the temperature of the sand where sea turtles lay their eggs determines the sex of the hatchlings? Warmer sand produces more females, while cooler sand results in more males. This imbalance could threaten the species' long-term survival, as some areas are already reporting dangerously low numbers of male turtles. But nature finds a way. Some sea turtle populations have started changing their nesting behaviors. Instead of returning to their traditional nesting beaches, they are moving to cooler areas to ensure a more balanced ratio of male and female hatchlings. New nesting sites are emerging on their reproductive maps, showcasing the incredible adaptability of these ancient creatures. However, their journey to these new beaches comes with risks, including human disturbances like light pollution and tourism activities. Yet, finding new nesting grounds is no easy task. With rising sea levels and increasing human activity along coastlines, suitable beaches are becoming scarce. But what matters is that they are striving to adapt, a critical step that could determine their survival in the years to come. If they fail to find safe nesting sites, their extinction risk will only grow. Melting ice is pushing emperor penguins into an unprecedented crisis. The vast ice sheets they once relied on for breeding are shrinking, sometimes disappearing before their chicks can mature. This is a massive threat. Without stable ice, their eggs have no place to incubate, and the chicks have little chance of surviving the harsh Antarctic winter. It's a true survival crisis for the largest penguin species on Earth. But nature always finds a way to adapt. To cope with these changes, many penguin colonies have been forced to move farther south to regions where the ice is thicker and more stable. However, this journey is far from easy. Searching for a new environment means traveling longer distances for food, spending more time raising their young, and facing new dangers they have never encountered before. It's a difficult trade-off. Still, this migration is their only hope for survival. Emperor penguins are rewriting their migration patterns, seeking new breeding grounds to safeguard their future generations. But the big question remains: if the ice keeps melting, will this adaptation be enough to secure their survival, Or will the Antarctic's iconic penguins one day run out of places to go? Dolphins are known as some of the smartest hunters in the ocean, but even they are not immune to the effects of climate change. As ocean temperatures rise, many fish species, the primary food source for dolphins, are migrating to cooler or deeper waters. This means that if dolphins do not adapt, they could face serious food shortages. A survival challenge is now at their doorstep. To cope, some dolphin pods have started migrating to new areas where fish are still abundant. But it's not just about changing locations, they also have to change their hunting tactics. Some groups have learned to herd fish in new ways, using waves to push them towards shore, or even experimenting with hunting in deeper waters than before. Their quick thinking and adaptability have helped them secure food despite the shifting environment. However, not all dolphin pods are so fortunate. Some newly inhabited areas lack sufficient fish, forcing them to hunt lower nutritional prey, which could impact their long-term health. Additionally, venturing into unfamiliar waters exposes them to greater risks, from natural predators to human activities like fishing and boat traffic. So the question is, can dolphins continue to adapt if ocean temperatures keep rising? Or will there come a point where even intelligence isn't enough to overcome this challenge? Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise, leading to severe disruptions in marine ecosystems. For many species, these changes are happening too quickly for them to adapt, but not for the Caribbean octopus. Instead of waiting millions of years to evolve, it has developed a remarkable way to survive, rewriting its own RNA. This incredible ability is something that very few animals can do, allowing the octopus to remain flexible and thrive in an increasingly unpredictable world. By altering its RNA, the Caribbean octopus can adjust its physiological functions according to the environmental conditions around it. When water temperatures fluctuate, it can modify its nervous system activity, metabolic rate, and even how it controls its color and shape. This adaptability helps it hunt more efficiently, evade predators more effectively, and maintain its agility in a constantly changing ocean. But the big question remains, does this RNA editing ability have a limit? If climate change continues at its current rapid pace, will the Caribbean octopus be able to keep up? Or will there come a point where even this extraordinary adaptability is not enough? Scientists are still uncovering the mysteries behind this survival strategy. And if that limit is reached, will the octopus be able to develop yet another new way to endure? From polar bears altering their hunting methods and sea turtles shifting their nesting grounds to Caribbean octopuses rewriting their own RNA, each of these is a testament to the incredible power of nature. As the world continues to change, these animals find ways to endure, proving that adaptation is the key to survival. Which adaptation impressed you the most? In your opinion, which species has the best chance of withstanding climate change? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Animal Coong to keep exploring the fascinating secrets of the animal world. See you in the next video.